Hello friend, I am Sitaram Kamble and today topic is string buffer and string builder. Now and today date is the 19 July 2021. So we can discuss the string buffer before the string buffer and string builder. Before the we can discuss the what is meant by the string. String is the object and string is nothing but the basically sequence of the character, an array of the character, way to sequence of the character. And in a string we can discuss the string immutable means first of all string is a not immutable means the not change in when we uh, when we you to set the string or set the string after time we cannot change in a string. So this is drawback of string, and its drawback overcome to using the method, different type of method, and it's nothing but the immutable. The immutable drawback overcome to using the different type of method. In a method we can discuss the character add, code point, compare, ignore, then split, then empty method, then length method, equal to, and replace in three type: replace all, replace first, replace end, and then replace and different type of method we can use. And we can use the using the string, literal string, and another word, two way to create the string. First of all first is the literal, and second is the new keyword. Literal string in a literal string we can discuss the string variable is equal to double quoted in a string. Literal is when we generate the literal string at the time JVM processor give to the JVM 1/4 memory, and JVM check to the control constant pole in this string is execute before execute this string is execute already or not. If this string is execute already, at that time control JVM due to the reference reference due. And another word is another using way to the new keyword. The string variable is equal to the new string. This the syntax of the string created. Now we can discuss the this is overcome to the two way to the string create. Now we can main discuss the buffer and builder. So we can see the difference between the buffer and builder. Buffer is a string of buffer is introduced with the introduce of the buffer. Buffer is a first initial initial created in a Java. So string builder is a initialize in string builder is a introduced in realize in a fifth generation, fifth duration in a Java. So next one point is buffer and builder. In a buffer is a synchronizer, and builder is a also builder is a not synchronized. So buffer is a in a buffer performance of the string buffer is the thread shape. So multiple threads cannot access a same time in a buffer thread shape. So buffer in a buffer every thread is not simultaneously accessed as compared to the builder. In a builder is not a thread shape. So multiple threads are accessed simultaneously. So string buffer is another point is the difference is a string buffer is a thread shape. That's we have a slow execution in a buffer, and builder in execution time is less as compared to the buffer. So another point is string buffer is a mutable means changeable. So we can modify the without creating object. We modify the in a string as well as and builder also mutable. String builder also mutable, so we can also create a string without creating an object. And string buffer is a storage in the heap storage, means you can buffer is used to the heap memory, as well as the builder also use the heap memory. So string buffer is a less efficient than the string builder, and string builder is a more efficient as compared to the string buffer. Now we can syntax of the string buffer, and now we can discuss and see the syntax of the string buffer and string builder. So string buffer syntax is string buffer is equal to reference variable. Let's suppose like is the buffer is equal to new string buffer parenthesis. In parenthesis we update the string. This is the syntax of the string buffer. And string builder syntax is a string builder variable is equal to new string parenthesis in a string. So all the information related to the string immutable, and string buffer and builder. Thank you.